Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1544, that is make the string great, and in this we'll be given a string S of lower and uppercase English letters, and a good string is a string which doesn't not have two adjacent characters Si and Si plus 1, where let's just skip this condition, and it's a basic condition like I should be less than or equal to S dot length minus 2 and I should be greater than or equal to 0. Let's have a look at the other condition that states that Si is a lowercase letter and Si plus 1 is the same letter but in uppercase or vice versa, and we have to make the string good and we can choose two adjacent characters that make the string bad and remove them. Okay, and we have to do this until the string becomes good. Okay, for example, in this case we are given leet le and then capital E. So what we'll be doing, we'll be removing these two e's, so we'll be left with LeetCode. Similarly, in the next test case, we are having A, B, and then capital B. So first we'll be removing this. We'll be left with small a, capital A. Then we'll be removing this A as capital A and then small a. So we'll be left with the CC, which again itself is a bad string. So we'll be removing it again. Okay. So for this, what we'll be doing, we'll be using a stack. So let's first declare a stack of character. Let's call it stack, that is equal to new stack. And then what we'll be doing is that for character ch in s dot to character array. Okay, now we'll be appending, we'll be checking firstly that if not stack dot is empty, stk dot is empty, and the element at the top of the stack and math dot absolute of character minus stk dot peak is equal to 32, because in that case only we are having the two letters are same but they are in just different cases, that is lowercase and uppercase. So in that case what we'll doing is we'll be popping the topmost element from the stack, or else if this is not the case we'll be just appending it to the stack. Okay, stack dot push character. Okay, now at the end, let's have a string builder where we'll be adding our answer, where we'll be adding the characters from the stack. String builder answer, that will be good new string builder. Okay, and let yeah. Now while my not stack is empty, not stack dot is empty, what I'll be doing is I'll be keeping the popping of the elements from the stack, and answer dot append stk dot pop, and at the end I'll be reversing the answer string return answer, because we'll be having the answer in the reverse, the characters in the reverse order, so answer dot reverse, and then I'll be converting it to string string. Yeah, now let's run it. Yeah, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.